Hello dear student, today's topic is model test of centrifugal pump. The model testing of centrifugal pump can be done on 4 parameters. Here we have taken first parameter is flow coefficient. We also know that the discharge through the impeller Q is equal to pi d1 b1 vf1, where d1 is the diameter of the impeller at inlet and b1 is the width of the impeller at inlet and vf1 is the flow velocity at inlet of the fluid. In this equation we have seen here pi is the constant, so now we are eliminating the constant, so we get here Q is directly proportional to dBvf. In this we also know that the width of the impeller depends on the diameter of the impeller. Therefore, this equation can be written like this: Q is directly proportional to d square Vf. We also know that the flow velocity of fluid depends on the manometric head की power 1/2. So here Q is directly proportional to d square under root hm. This is equation number 1. Here U is equal to pi dn divided by 60. We know that the tangential velocity of blade is equal to this. From this we eliminating the constant parameter pi by 60. Therefore we get pi is directly proportional to dn, but also we know that speed ratio Ku is equal to blade velocity divided by jet velocity. From this equation we get U is equal to Ku into under root 2g under root hm. From this equation we are eliminating the constant parameter, then we get U is directly proportional to under root hm. Hm is the manometric head. From these two equations we get dn is directly proportional to under root hm. Hence equation 1, therefore Q is directly proportional to d square into d into n. Putting the value from this equation in equation number 1, we get this equation. This can be rearranged like this: Q is directly proportional to dq की power n. Here again we are eliminating the proportionality constant and taking a constant. This constant is equal to Q divided by d की power 3 into n. This constant is called the flow coefficient. This constant will be equal to for the model and for the prototype. Here we have taken Q by d की power 3 into n for model is equal to Q divided by d की power 3 into n for a prototype model. This is the second parameter on which we can test of a centrifugal pump model. Here specific speed of model and prototype must be same. Here is the B. It means the specific speed of a model and of a prototype model must be same. It means we also know that here specific speed ns is equal to n under root q divided by hm की power 3/4. This is equal to constant. So this specific speed is called the speed coefficient. This will be same for a model and for a prototype model. Here n under root q divided by hm की power 3/4 for a model will be equal to n under root q divided by hm की power 3/4 for a prototype model. This is the third parameter on which we can test a prototype model of a centrifugal pump. We know that blade velocity U is equal to pi dn divided by 60. Eliminating the constant in this equation, that is pi by 60, here we get U is directly proportional to d into n, where d is the diameter of the impeller and n is the revolution of the impeller in RPM, but also we know that speed ratio Ku is equal to blade velocity divided by jet velocity. Therefore, blade velocity will be equal to Ku, this is speed ratio coefficient, into under root 2g hm. Therefore, eliminating all constant parameter in this equation, which is Ku and 2g under root 2g, we get u is directly proportional to under root hm. From this equation and this equation, we get dn is directly proportional to under root hm. Taking the square both sides, we get hm is directly proportional to d square and n square. Now eliminating the proportionality, taking a constant, we get hm divided by d square n square is equal to constant. This constant is called head coefficient. Here hm divided by d square into n square for model will be equal to hm divided by d square into n square for a prototype model. This can be used for a testing of a prototype model of centrifugal pump. Here this is the fourth parameter on which we can test a prototype model of a centrifugal pump, that is power coefficient. Here we know that power is equal to rho g q into h divided by 1000 into kilowatt. This is the power. Here from this equation we get power is directly proportional to rho g q hm. In this equation here, as rho and g are constant, so eliminating the constant parameter, we get P is directly proportional to Q into hm, but we also derived this Q is directly proportional to d to the power 3 into n, and hm is directly proportional to d square into n square. So here P is directly proportional to, putting this value and this value in this equation, we get d to the power 3 into n, d square into n square. Finally, P is directly proportional to n to the power 3 into d to the power 5. Now eliminating the proportionality, taking a constant, we get P divided by n to the power 3 d to the power 5 is equal to constant. This constant is called power coefficient. Now here P divided by n to the power 3 d to the power 5 for model will be equal to P divided by n cube into d to the power 5 for a prototype model. This is the fourth parameter on which we can test a prototype model of a centrifugal pump. In this, when we are going to calculate any one parameter, fixing all parameter, we are taking in that parameter as variable, equating this equation, finally we get the variable parameter. So this will be used for the testing of prototype model of a centrifugal pump. Now class is over. Thank you for listening.